In this video, we are going to see that if we want to move any kind of desktop downloads, documents or pictures option to a specific drive, how we can move all of these icons or options that Windows have by default in the main area. So for example, we are in the Explorer and we want to move this desktop icon or desktop option to another drive. What we can do is just right click here and just right click and select properties. Now under the properties, we will select location, and after that we can just select move, and let's say that this is my other drive. Let's just select a folder, for example, because in this example we only have one drive. So let's say that we want to move this to a particular folder or a drive. This one is the example of it. And after that, just click on select folder and you can move it. Click on apply. But it says that, do you want to move all the files from the old location to a new location? Old location is this, new location is that. So if you have some files or links associated with it, it might break the links. So just be mindful of that. We recommend moving all the files so that your programs needs to access the folders content can do so. So you can do that, or otherwise let's try it again for other ones which might not disturb the main functionality, just to show you it as an example. So in the music, just right click, go to the properties, and let's click on move and select this particular folder as an example of a drive, or let's say a folder. After that, just click on apply and it will show you the same message. Click on yes, click OK. And now if we check that particular folder, you will notice that it is moved to this particular folder and the name is also changed to music. So basically what it does is, it was for errors, but we have associated it to the folder. So now it's working it as a shortcut. And after that, we can change the icon as well if we like to. Let's say I want to change it to this one and optimize this folder for journal items. Click on apply and you can use this folder however you want. So this is how it is done. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.